Hey guys, my name's Alec. This is going out to all the incoming freshmen, and it's a video showing you guys the important things you guys need to know about the first semester of college. First off, reading. Reading's one of the most important things you're going to do in college. It involves your tests, your quizzes, the homework, everything, your projects as well. If you don't read, you're going to fall behind. There's so much reading in college. Trust me, I've already fell behind, and it's really hard to catch up. You don't want to deal with that. Second off is your homework. You need to keep up with your homework. If you don't keep up with it, you're going to fall behind in that too. College is really easy to fall behind in. And homework, you might not get a lot, but if you don't do them, those few homework grades, if they're a 0, it's going to kill your GPA. Third off, studying. You need to study for those tests and quizzes. If you don't study, it's not like high school. You're not going to pass them. It's so hard to pass tests and quizzes when you don't study, because there's so much information on these tests and quizzes. You have to analyze what you read and put in your own words, and then that's the true answer for a test or a quiz. Group work is the fourth thing. Group work, you're going to be going through the rest of your life. For our university class, I was in a group, and we had, everyone was just on a different page with group work. We really didn't click together until the very end, and it's a really hard thing to go by, because you don't really think of it as hard. You actually want to do group work when you first get into college, but as you see and you develop in your work, you're going to realize that you'd rather do it on your own, because you don't want to be picking up slack for other people. The fifth thing you need to know is be active in school. If you're not active in school, you're not going to want to keep your grades up. And if you don't keep your grades up, you're not going to get that degree you want. My degree, I want to be a pharmacist, and I have to have at least a 3.0, or I get dropped out of the program. So, I mean, being active in school will keep my GPA up, and trust me, it'll keep yours up too. Number 6 would be, don't ditch or miss school. If you ditch and miss school, you're going to realize that you're going to fall way behind, because you might only have class 2 times a week for each class, and if you don't go to those classes, you're going to fall way behind, and you're not going to want to make up the work you missed. The last thing you need to know is just have fun. School goes by so quick, and you're going to realize that it's going to be over in a few years. And trust me, my first semester of college, it went by so quick. Next week it's going to be over. So to wrap up, just have fun. Don't fall behind, and you have a great time at college.